Today we will learn how to take payments in BoloSign Forms. Suppose you want to collect payments along with your response in the form. What you can do is navigate to your desired form, Responses tab, under Integrations, Stripe integration. Click on Stripe. At first, you will have to complete a one-time connection process to connect your Stripe account to your BoloSign account. Click on Setup Payments, click on Connect. This will redirect you to Stripe dashboard. I'll pause the video while I complete my connection process. After a successful connection, you will be redirected back to your form. Again, navigate to Responses, Stripe integration, and now you can see that the options have been enabled. At first, we'll click on Enable Payments. There are two ways in which you can collect payments: fixed amount and form total. Fixed amount is an arbitrary value that you can set for any given form. Form total is based on the form response as well as the formula that you provide to calculate the final value. This fixed amount is self-explanatory. For this session, I'll be continuing with form total. Click on form total and you can drop in a formula. So here I have two questions named as price and quantity. In responses, I'll select a base value of 10 plus a formula of price into quantity. You can set any arbitrary formula for any given questions which are allowed. Only the select questions which are allowed will be shown in the dropdown. Click on update. Once you have updated your value, you can verify what will be the view for the respondent. Here, any form which has an attached payment will show a disclaimer that this form has a payment associated with it, which the user will be prompted to complete post the submission of this form. Now, let's complete the form submission. As you can see, there's a payment status which is an extra UI element being shown to the respondent. It is showing to whom this payment will be attached, which email, the amount, which is accurately calculated as 10 plus 20 times 2, which is 40, 10 plus 40 is 50, and USD, which we had selected as a currency. The status is not paid. The user will be sent an email for the same to complete the payment. They will be redirected to this same page. You can complete the payment process over here. Click on Pay Now. I'll be pausing my video and completing the payment. Once the payment is completed, the user will be redirected to the same page with the status updated as paid, as well as a notification email to both the owner of the form as well as the respondent will be sent for payment of completion of payment. This is how you collect payments in BoloSign Forms.